All right, so most people think of fruits and vegetables and protein powders when making a healthy smoothie, but have you ever considered adding beans to the mix? Well, for today's Jewell Jems, we welcome holistic practitioner Audree Lee back this morning with more. And good morning, Audrey. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
All right, so we include beans in a lot of our recipes and
Chili.
Yeah, exactly. But in a smoothie,
And a smoothie girl.
now, when did you get the idea that, oh, I'm going to try adding some beans to a smoothie and this is, we're going to see if this is good or not?
You know, the number one question that people have is, I need my protein. I have to get more protein. But what they don't realize is there's more protein in the plant kingdom than any kingdom.
Okay.
And beans are one of the things that have a neutral taste to them.
Mm-hmm.
You kind of add the seasoning to give them the taste. And I saw someone that lost 65 pounds on this particular recipe, and I said, hey, well, my husband went on and lost 42 also, so
Okay.
it was a game changer.
So how many years ago was this? Have you been eating beans, or not, excuse me, drinking bean smoothies?
So I've been drinking them probably for the last maybe 6 months.
Oh, okay.
To notice the difference, and
Gotcha.
it's helped with a lot of things,
So this is a new,
health-wise.
kind of a newer.
And a great way for people to get their protein in, and then of course be full and fiber, because people need fiber.
Okay.
We have to have fiber, and it's really easy to do.
Yeah.
if you're
Well,
making a
yeah,
smoothie.
smoothies are pretty easy anyways. So what is is there a preferred type of bean? Like, should it be black beans, chickpea bean,
You know, whatever beans you like.
Okay.
Because the beans will be covered up in whatever you create. Like if it's a light colored smoothie, you want a light bean. If it's a dark one, like a chocolate one, you want a darker bean. And so when you blend them up, nobody knows they're in there until you tell them. And that's the great thing. It's like, I just drank a bean. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Have you, in your experience, offered someone a smoothie and you're like, oh, this is delicious, and then you told them it was beans in there, and
All the time.
Okay.
All the time. And it's really easy to do. You want to take your beans and put them at the bottom. These are I won't say chocolate, but these are the dark beans. And so we're going
Okay.
to put that in there. Those are black beans.
Okay.
And then we're going to add our banana in there. That's going to give it some sweetener. Now we know that most people have really sweet teeth, a sweet tooth. And so I'm going to make this one a antioxidant one. So these are all my berries. They go in too.
Okay.
It's really easy, dump and go.
Yeah.
Then we want to add a couple of dates in there. And you add as many
Yes.
as you want. But
you've
it
told
depends
us
on,
about the lovely benefits of dates before.
yeah, the fiber. We need the fiber in our body, and don't do too much, especially if you're dealing with health challenges. And what people don't also know is if you add a lemon in there,
Yeah.
it marries the flavors and brings everything together, makes it taste wonderful.
Okay.
So bananas can be got at the store. Make sure you freeze everything. That's best. If you want it really, really cold, you want to add ice.
Okay.
So then you just add your choice
Okay.
of liquid, and I chose almond milk. You can use oat milk, you can use water even,
Okay.
and then you're going to put it on your blender. Make sure you have a good blender because we're blending beans and things, and just turn it on and let it go. And here, voila!
Thank you.
We have our bean smoothie.
Magic of television, right? All right, let me see. I can't tell.
You can't tell, right? And for people that are dealing with health challenges where they want to keep the insulin levels low and all of that, this is really, really good for them to do.
Good.
I know. And here's the other thing. You end up eating less food. I found that my husband eats less meals when we do this because he's full longer, which is something that we want to do. And this is a way to do this. So this is a morning meal.
Yeah.
It
Yeah,
could be
yeah.
a dessert at night if you make it thicker.
It's it is very thick. It's very filling,
Yes.
for sure. And I'm imagining that's the dates probably as well as
Yeah.
the beans as well. Yeah,
So you
this is
don't
great.
gulp it down. You kind of sip it and
Yeah,
enjoy
okay.
it.
Yes, as I'm taking it back to my head, but no, I will enjoy this throughout the morning.
Yeah.
All right, and so if folks are interested in learning more about how to make this smoothie, you're having a Zoom session tonight, right? For people to
Always.
connect with you? Okay.
Yeah. So it's just basically just to educate people a little bit more about what do each one of these ingredients do, why we want to have them in there. And organic is best when you're doing anything that you're eating to make sure you have your optimal health. And so this is going to be my morning meal as well.
Okay.
It might be a
Just
dessert.
might be mine too. All right, thank you, Audrey. So heart health, weight management, as well as all types of other health benefits from a bean smoothie.
A bean smoothie.
Amazing. It tastes delicious. Okay, so again, Audree Lee will be hosting a Zoom meeting with more information about the bean smoothies. The meeting ID and password are on your screen. You can learn more about Audree Lee at her website, audreeleehealth.com. You can also find her on social media. And if you have any ideas for Jewell Jems, you can email me at jhillary@wgntv.com. We'll be right back.